Hello everyone, I am Sudeep and welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to show you a very simple and effective method which helps to repair all the corrupted files on your PC. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type cmd and right click on the command prompt option and click on run as administrator. It won't work if you open the command prompt directly, so you must run it as an administrator. Once you click on run as administrator, it will direct you to the command window. On the command window, type sfc/scan now and hit enter. After you press enter, it will start scanning the computer for corrupted files and repairs them if there are any. Let the scan 100% complete. Once the scan is completed, close the command window and that's it. You have successfully repaired all the corrupt files on your computer.